I'm Bubba Bubbaphant. Hey, I remember you. An elephant always remembers. Want to know what I remember about you?
Hey, I'm Chicken. Want to go outside and hang out? It's looking pretty bad outside. I've never been outside before. Will you come with me? I'm scared. Here, follow me. I'll step out first.
Hi there! I'm Piggy. Let's eat! Roast beef? Delicious! Grilled chicken? Down the hatch! Seared elephant? Yum! Slayed unicorn? Mmm! Still hungry. Hey, what do you say you and I be friends? I'm Hoppy Hopscotch! Wanna try hopping to the moon with me? On three with me. 1, 2, 3! Heh, didn't get very far, did we? Again! 1, 2, 3! Nope, still didn't make it. Listen, this won't stop until we make it to the moon. 1, 2... No, don't look at your feet! None of that matters! Again! Jump! Hi, I'm Bobby Bearhug. Want to know how much I love you? I love you to the moon and back. I'm crazy about you. I'm lost without you. I've been lost a long time. Please, take me with you this time. You won't leave me, will you?
Dog Day says, fetch! Go! As far as you can! Why are you just standing there? You can't be here. You can't stay.
Corn, can you help me with my painting? Pass me the blue, please. Thanks! Now, can you give me some red? More red, please. Out? But we can't be out. You're hiding more red from me. I know you are.